Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is going to be an interesting one. So I actually like playing games from older consoles like PSP, PS1, PS2, Super Nintendo, GameCube, etc. via emulator rather than playing subpar Android games. Now those console games are obviously played better with a controller like this Red Gear gamepad. However, it doesn't have a phone holder for a true handheld gaming experience. Now I didn't want to spend another 2000 rupees on a gamepad just for a plastic phone holder bracket, and those don't even look durable. So I searched online to see if it was possible to build a generic phone holder without 3D printing, and sure enough I came across this video from Jason Bradbury. So thanks Jason for this innovative idea. So I'll just try to do what Jason did to see if this solution is actually practical. Now all the components that I'm using will be available in the description. I want to warn about the fact that these fittings from the brand Action Pro are not the best. I've actually replaced one of them and I'm not sure if these will be perfect fit either. So you may need to do some further DIY tweaks. Alright, let's go build this thing. Okay, so there is a problem with this straight riser as expected. The bottom pivot joint is loose, no matter how much I tighten the thumb screw. It's a defect of the actual riser. So what I'll do is, I'll just cut a piece from the Action Pro card and jam it in to fill the gap. This is much better, although I can actually jam another one in. Now this is perfect. Yeah, I mean it feels solid, but it's a bit front heavy. because the contraption itself is having heavy components versus just having a plastic mount, but it's definitely manageable. So overall I spent about 677 rupees, which is great. But you may need to spend around 900 if you don't have the phone mount or thumb screws lying around. But still, in my opinion, it's better than spending nearly 2000 rupees on crappy controllers with weak phone holders. Alright guys, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Like, share and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.